I always use Maxis products. I always use their base coat and their top coat. And I do have a discount code in case you need one or you're interested in trying Maxis products. For this video, I'm using all Holo Taco products. I'm using Not Milky White, Life in Plastic, Cracked Taco Shell, Reflective Taco, Glow in the Dark Taco, and One Coat Black. I'll be using a dotting tool with a really pointy side and this ghost paper punch. I'm going to start out just by putting some white down that I need and leaving it dry overnight. I will be using 2 coats. Now I'm just going to go over the top with probably a couple coats of Glow in the Dark Taco. All right, the glow is really good. I can't remember how many coats I put on. Well, you know what? It'll be fine. I can't remember if I put 1 or 2 coats of the glow. Sometimes I put 2. I think this is 2. Yeah, this is 2. I did it last night. I don't remember. So anyways, it looks good. The next thing we're going to do is punch out a couple little ghosts. I got these cute little punchers on Amazon last year. I think it was last year. I forgot how fun it is actually to punch out your own little decals, because I did it like a lot of years ago, and so I have like a few cute, really cute ones, right? So basically, if you're going to punch it out, you kind of want to be able to, I want to make it a little longer so that you can reach, you know, and pull this out of the stamper head. Anyways, I think this works out best if, let's see, if I flip it over. Oh, maybe not. Let's see what I can do. All right, that worked out good. Now, I made the ghost going one way, so now I'm going to flip this over so that I have a ghost going 2 different ways, which is nice. Because if you're using stickers or something like that, it's not always possible. Or, you know, stampers without making like a decal of the stamper. Flip him over. Okay, so now I got a ghost going 2 different ways. And these look cute. Oh. Everything's glowing. Now what I want to do is draw some eyes and a little mouth. So I'm going to get a super fine dotting tool. So I'm using this pointy, really pointy dotting tool. It's not actually round. That's the pointy one. I think most sets have it. Works out perfect for these little ghosts. And you just want to do a light touch. They'll give you the smallest little dot. All right, I think my ghosts are super cute and they're ready to go. I'm going to put down Not Milky White first. This is one coat of Not Milky White, and I think it'll just be fine for what I'm doing today. Now I'm going to top it off with Life in Plastic because I wanted this to be a really bright pink. Trying to cover up all the white on the edges because I don't like that. I'm not sure that you're going to see it anyway, but I definitely want to make sure that's all covered up. I'm going to do 2 coats of Life in Plastic. Here is 2 coats of white, and I would suggest, 2 coats of Life in Plastic, and I would suggest not going all the way to the edges of your finger with the white if you're trying to cover up every little bit of it, because it's really, really hard to do that. I'm going to put a little bit of reflective taco on as well. All right, we are almost done. A couple more steps. Now we get to play with Crackle. That looks pretty good. I think I might have gotten it too thick over there. That's okay. So now I'm going to put one swipe over here. And one swipe over here. And I'm going to do the whole pinky nail. Now that I got this, I'm going to take my little ghosts and I'm going to just kind of put them here like this. This little ghost here like this. And then I'm going to attempt this. I'm hoping it works. Okay, so I just want part of the ghost covered. I kind of want to make it look like the ghost is popping out of the crackle. So let's try it on this finger. I have to get this stuff so thin so that it comes out. I only need a little bit to cover my ghost though. Ooh, that's good. Even if it doesn't crackle. that worked out good. All right. I think this is what I wanted. So now I'm going to cover everything with a top coat. Actually, I'm going to wait to make sure that it's all dry. Let me see. Yeah, actually, it's fine. All right. Okay, just going to put that on. Okay, and then I'll let that dry. Here's the finished manicure in low light, and you can see the reflective glitter sparkling back there. That looks really great. So let's check out the ghosties. Here they are, all super cute. I'm loving this manicure. Very fun and Halloween-y. So I hope you like this nail design, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.